saw in one of my previous videos about running E85 for the first time, check it out. I'll put a link in the description. I just filled my tank now with regular gas, so it does sound a little bit quieter because it actually was louder with the 85. And I probably got about, honestly, a quarter tank left of the 85.
If fool me, can't get fooled again.
There yet, and as you can see, I parked right there. We're probably halfway there. I just wanted to let you know and show you guys I am on the Appalachian Trail right now. It's pretty awesome. But I promise we'll be there soon. See that mountain there? We are going to be off-roading to the top of that. Just in case you guys thought I was joking, as you can see, I have no service. I stopped real quick to talk to you guys. Man, that was a little sketchy. If you saw me, I was sliding around there. I don't know if I was gonna make it through. My face was like when I was coming up that hill over there, because you see I was sliding around, almost got in this deep pocket on the side. We made it through and making a quick stop here so I can show you guys this view. Look how nice that is. Man, this is a really good Instagram picture. What do you guys think? Well, we got a long way to go, so hope you guys are enjoying this so far, because I am. Inclining up that hill, man, that was scary. Like I almost felt like I was gonna start sliding down the mountain, or I was gonna get completely stuck. Just wanted to let you guys know that I made it this entire way so far without kicking the Silverado into four-wheel drive. These mud terrain, fierce altitude tires are very good. made it here the whole way without having to be in the four-wheel drive. I just want to let you know that I forgot my shovel, tow strap, chain, and everything, and I don't have no service right now, so hopefully we can make it the rest of the way. So it's been a hell of a trip so far. Look at this, I just made it to a second view here. Almost to the next view. Haven't gotten stuck. Everything's great. I'm still in two-wheel drive, been the whole time, and hopefully I'll make it out alive, but just made it to another view. This view is not visible during the summertime. Figured I'd show it to you now. Let's head on this trail. Hopefully there's no more inclining. I was kind of wrong back there. I had to go up another hill there and it was pretty sketchy, but Silverado has been treating us great. So it looks as if some people got stuck in a Toyota. This is why you don't off-road in a car. Yeah, got like 5K subs.
Nice.
So whose idea was it to come up here in a car?
Check. I'll have to show you up again.
Well, looks like you guys are out.
We're out having a little fun, but you know.
What's up, man?
Oh, you got GPS? Or GoPro?
YouTube, yeah.
You use YouTube?
Yeah, man.
What's your name? People look you up. Do you want to do like four-wheelering, dirt biking?
I do videos on my truck, thinking about getting like a here soon and building it.
Nice.
Dude, that sounds good. Dude, I like that Chevy though.
Thanks, man.
Her dad has a 400 horsepower Evo.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we like those. But yeah, you missed the fun.
All right, man. Have a good one.
You too.
Let's go out, dude. I'll look you up. What's your name again?
Be safe out there.
Huh? Thanks.
Yep, see ya. Okay, so they finally made it out. Hopefully they make it out alive. Didn't expect to see people out here in a small Toyota car. Anything can happen here out in the woods. Maybe someday I'll make it up this in my truck. Let's get the rest of the way, let's go. Made it to the rock formation here. Probably gonna climb up the rock and see if we can see my truck from there. Let's go. Keep your state forest beautiful. As you can see, it's not gonna be too easy. And for how much snow there is out here, it's probably pretty rough. Okay, I'm probably gonna try to go to the top of there. Just made it up from there, almost to the top. The sketchiest part is down there actually. This isn't too bad. But we made it. We made it, guys. Yeah! Woo! This is great. Like, oh my gosh, that view is amazing. As you can see my truck right behind that tree. Man, this is a nice place. If you look off the edge, I'm actually pretty high up here. Okay, so before it gets dark and sun goes down, let's hopefully make the way out of here. no mud going down that way. Once they get over here, I mean, that's a different story. Sad thing is over here, they're taking down the forest, and this could one day be a paved road, and this place will no longer be fun anymore. So thumbs down to them. Oh yeah, going fastest now on the trail. Just trying to get out of here, but honestly, this is my favorite part because there's just so many nice trees on the side. The view is just a lot better than, well, I wouldn't say the view, but the nature looks a lot cooler this way. Holy, almost gained some air there. Yeah. All right, let me show you a little bit of what I'm looking at. Okay, so you may be wondering why I'm not cleaning the windshield. Well, I got my mount hooked up there. Looks like you got another car chilling right there. I don't know what they're up to. Well, we did it, guys. Finally made it out. State Forest, travel at your own risk. I did the whole trail without having to be in four-wheel drive. I didn't get any help from anyone. I didn't get stuck, luckily. And, well, we did it. The truck is looking really dirty, but I'm glad we were able to make it out. This way is actually a couple-hour travel. I've never been down there. I would not attempt that unless I have a friend or two, and we brought tow straps, a shovel, and all that, just in case we get stuck. Well, this is gonna be about 3 or 4 hours of cleaning. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video today. I mean, I really enjoyed making this video. So make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, because a lot more content's coming out. And like I said before, crazy off-roading adventures will continue. See you guys.